Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got ACD back in the building with another bag creation. Now, before we get started with the review, I gotta give my man 4 thumbs up in the door for the design of this watch face. His creative juices had to been overflowing when he designed this one, because this one is totally off the charts. Now, we are having a giveaway for this watch face, so if you want an opportunity to win, make sure you comment in the comment section down below. And we are giving away watch face codes to the normal countries, which is Denmark, the UK, India, Canada, US. And if you want your country to have an opportunity to win, all you got to simply do is comment in the comment section down below. Leave me your name, your country, so I can add you to the list, and you can have an opportunity to win this free watch face. With that being said, let's go ahead and let's kick off the review. Now, the name of the watch face is called Hexagon Rose Gold. I'm telling you, the detailing of this watch face is beautiful. It screams elegance all day. Even in the always on mode for the Gear 3, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's just going to be dimmed down quite a bit in the AOD mode. You're going to get a different type of look for the Gears 2, but you'll still be able to see your time at a glance with no problem. Now, looking at the watch face, the background. Now, this smaller hexagon design, I love the detailing of it. It really brings out the watch face and the design as well as the detailing of it. I'm loving it. I thought he did an excellent job with that. But what I like most of all is what looks like floating icons, right? It really kind of stands off the page, has a 3D effect to it to a degree. But let's take a look at it. Now, if you look to the left, you're going to get the day of the week. You're going to get your date. To the right, you're going to get your month, your date, and you come down. I love this stamp that's dead center. The time is legible. You get your battery info. You get an AM PM stamp. You come down, you're going to get, of course, your step information. I haven't been anywhere, so I'm still at 0, and the heart rate. Now, I like that he added an extra added touch with animation within the heart rate. I thought that was totally off the charts. A beautiful look, a beautiful design. ACD did his thing, and yes, it is an active. This is a watch face you want to have on your wrist this weekend, this holiday weekend, people. I'm telling you, my man outdid himself, and is very responsive as well. And you can customize the color to whichever one you like, and or to whatever it is that you're wearing for the day. Now, this watch face is going to tie into whatever watch you have on, whether it's the Rose Gold, the Galaxy watch, the Gears 3, the Gear Sport. It makes no difference. This is a watch face for all watches. All right, you all, this is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Have a happy new year.